Now, if you made this video, I've made a little over $100 from YouTube, and in this video I want to share with you my experience and how I was able to make this money from YouTube right here in this video. Now, if you are a new YouTuber, you are someone who is just jumping into the world of content creation, or you are frustrated, you have not made any money from YouTube and you want to make your first $100 from YouTube, now this is going to be very insightful to you because I'm going to be sharing with you my experience, my vast knowledge, and the little things I've gathered here on the street of YouTube. Right now, I've been on YouTube for a very long time, but I got serious with YouTube like 2 years ago. Right, that was when I started pushing content consistently on YouTube. Right here, filming this video, I've published over 200 plus videos on YouTube, and I have over 3,500 and something subscribers right now on YouTube. Now, with that said, let's jump into the first point right now in this video. Now, the first point is your mindset. Right now, your mindset is very important when it comes to YouTube, because YouTube is not child's play. Right now, YouTube is the OG when it comes to long form content, and YouTube is one of the hardest platforms to grow and make money from, believe me, per se, because your mindset is very important when it comes to building on YouTube and making money from YouTube. Now, if you are coming to YouTube because of other people are coming into YouTube, or you are coming to YouTube because people are making money from YouTube, they are sharing their screenshots, or that is just motivating you, or you are coming to YouTube because they say content creation is the next big thing, you are not going to succeed. I'm sorry, my dear. With the little knowledge and with the little experience and with the little money I've made from YouTube, I can tell you that if you are coming with the wrong mindset, you are going to get frustrated along the way and you are going to burn out and give up. Right now, your mindset is very important when it comes to building, growing, and making money on YouTube. Right, YouTube is not what they say it is. Right, YouTube is more than what you think. Right, if you are coming to YouTube to build an investment portfolio, if you are coming to YouTube to grow a community, if you are coming to YouTube to impact others, to share your knowledge with others, you can succeed on YouTube. But if you are coming to YouTube because other people are coming to YouTube, or you are coming to YouTube because you want to make money, you want to just go and blow, you are not going to succeed. Right now, YouTube, your mindset is have to be set right when it comes to YouTube, because your mindset is the most important tool to get right before you can succeed on the YouTube. Right now, the next thing you want to focus on is that you want to start where you are. Right, you want to start where you are. Many people want to get the best cameras, they want to get the best gears, they want to get the best equipment before they can start publishing on YouTube. Right, if you are waiting for that, you are going to grow old and you are not going to create one content. Right now, if you look at my former videos, my old videos, you are going to laugh at me because those videos are crap, right? But they are still on YouTube. And those videos helped me grow, and they brought me to where I am right now, because those videos were the ladders to where I am right now. Right now, you want to start where you are with that camera you have, even if the camera is not good, with your sound, with your equipment, whatever you have, where you are right now, you want to start there and you want to grow from there. That's how to grow. Right, you don't want to get the best camera, you don't want to get the best equipment, the best mic, the best lighting before you can start publishing on YouTube. Right now, what is more important is what you are putting out, the knowledge you are putting out, the content you are pushing out. Start where you are, start with what you have, and grow from there. Right, so when you start making money from YouTube, you can start reinvesting it back into your content and you can start building from there. Now, the next thing you shouldn't focus on is your subscribers count and analysis. Right, and what you should focus on instead is your title and thumbnail. Right now, the reason I'm saying that you should not focus on your subscribers count and analysis is that this is going to discourage you on YouTube. Why? Because subscribers count and analysis is one of the most frustrating thing about YouTube. If you are starting out on YouTube and you are just focusing on going over and checking your subscribers count and checking your analytics, how many people are viewing your video, like your video, you are going to be frustrated, because YouTube is one of the most detailed platform. Right, one of the most detailed platform when it comes to analytics of your video. Right now, what you focus more is your title and thumbnail, because YouTube is a platform that want to make money. They are business people. Right, what they want is that they want people to sit down on their platform and watch as many videos as possible. Right now, if your thumbnail is very catchy, because your thumbnail is what makes people to view your video, right, that's the first thing people see when they are scrolling through YouTube. Right, the first thing, that's the thumbnail, and your title, that's the two most important thing when it comes to video. So if you can catch your viewers' attention and you can make them sit down and watch your video for a very long time, YouTube is going to reward you mightily. Right, because that's the most important thing. Now, instead of focusing on your subscribers count or analysis, focus on your thumbnails and titles, because these are the most important aspect when it comes to YouTube. Right, these are very important because these two play a major role when it comes to your videos and how they perform. Right, so stop focusing on the subscribers, because if you are starting out on YouTube, you are going to be frustrated. You are seeing 100 subscribers, 200 subscribers, and you're just seeing like too few subscribers adding after a new videos. Instead of focusing on that, focus on the title, the thumbnail, what you are not doing well. Right, start improving on it, and it's going to help you in a long run on YouTube. Now that's led me to the next point right now on this very video. Now the next thing you should focus on is that you want to build discipline in your content workflow. You want to have a content calendar when it comes to YouTube. You want to have like a workflow on how you create your content, right? Maybe you are the person who creates like 2 videos in a week. When I was starting out, I was creating like 2 videos in a week. I was very consistent about it. It's not about now, right? I was consistent and I was very serious about it. Every single week, I make sure I drop 2 videos and I work towards it. I build discipline towards it because content is not easy. It's not a joke, right? Creating content, going through your title, your thumbnail, your descriptions, filming the video, editing it is a very long work, right? It's not easy, especially if you are starting out and you are not seeing results, right? So when I was starting out, I was dropping 2 videos every week and I was very consistent and disciplined about it, right? Let your subscribers and your audience know the exact time and date you drop videos, be it Fridays and Sundays or Monday and Tuesday. Exact time, let them know. You want to build discipline in your content workflow. It's not going to be easy, but it's going to be worth it in a very long run because YouTube is the OG of what content, and if you want to gain it on YouTube, you have to be disciplined and you have to be consistent, right? Now let's move to the next point. Now the next point is you want to be your #1 subscriber, right? Or let's say you want to be a #1 fan and you want to share your videos beyond YouTube, right? I want to explain this. This is like 2 points in one, but I want to like elaborate on it very fast, right? Now you want to share your videos beyond YouTube because YouTube firstly will not promote your videos. You are the one to promote your videos by yourself, right? As time goes on, YouTube will start recognizing who you are, the kind of content you create, and before they can start recommending your content to similar audience that are interested in your kind of videos. Now the first thing you have to do is that once your video go live, you want to take the link and start sharing it with your friends and family on your WhatsApp community, Facebook community, groups, right, TikTok and Instagram, right, anywhere you have audience, right? Because people around there can find interest in what you are doing, and by them you are getting more eyeballs and you are getting more viewership, right? Now the next thing you want to do is that you want to be a #1 fan, right? Once your video go live, this is what I do. That's why I'm sharing this with you. Once my video go live, I'll be the first person to watch the video from the beginning to the end without skipping any part. I sit down, I watch my video from the beginning to the very end. I like the video. I even drop a comment on my video as the first person, right? By then I'm telling YouTube that this video is a good video and I'm also giving them that boost, right? You want to be a #1 fan. This is very important. As a beginner, nobody is going to share you up. You are going to be the one to share yourself up. Now this is the bonus point to you. You have to copy what works, right? Now I'm telling you this because YouTube is a library when it comes to content creation, right? You want to look at what works and you have to copy what works. You don't want to reinvent the way as a content creation, right? In your niche, whatever you are doing, people are already there making success, doing big in whatever things you are doing, in whatever niche you are doing. You want to look at what they are doing, you want to replicate, add your own unique style to it, and create something that will surpass what they are doing, right? You don't want to just start cracking your brains and going off the roof because you want to create content. Like, look at what is working, look at those people who are doing well, who are doing good in your niche. Look at what they are doing, copy what works, and this is going to help you. Now I want to drop this as the last point, right? Because I find many creators, they have a lot of burnout. Now there are many creators on YouTube right now, they have already left YouTube because they find this very difficult, right? Now starting up YouTube, you don't want to take YouTube as what will pay your bills when you are starting out, because YouTube is not what can pay your bills for now. It's what you want to do for a very long time, right? You want to find something that pay off your bills for now. I believe you will learn one thing or two, and I believe this was very helpful to you. Now this is what has helped me for the last 2 years at least to make good content on this channel and made me this money on this very channel, and we are still here and we are still making good content to you. If you know this content or this video was valuable to you, I would just like you right now, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel for more content, because I'm going to be dropping more content every week on this very channel. Hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video to someone you know it will be very helpful to them. I'm going to appreciate that a lot. Thanks very much. Right, if you want to watch more of my content, watch my video, I'm going to leave them right here in this very corner. You will check them right now, just check them out, and it's going to be very helpful to you. I'll see you right here. Bye for now.